Hi everyone! Today we will continue the listening, journaling and speaking practice. We will build on the work we started yesterday. You will need the cards, a pen and your note journal. If you have them ready, let's get down to work. Okay, so the first activity is listening and journaling, so get your note journal ready. You'll hear a story read by our narrator. Tune into the various grammar forms you will hear. Listen to the story as many times as you like, and while listening, jot down some of the phrases or sentences you hear that refer to doing things in the present time. Ready? Let's go!
Lucy's day begins at 6:30. She gets up, takes a shower and gets dressed. She never has breakfast at home. She always has breakfast and drinks a cup of coffee at the corner cafe. Then she goes to school. When she finishes her morning classes, she usually eats lunch at 12 o'clock in the cafeteria. At lunch, she sometimes talks with her friends. After lunch, she goes to his afternoon classes. This summer, she is taking yoga classes twice a week. She's reading a book about yoga, which she likes quite a lot. Today she does not have her yoga bag with her, because she left it at home. She's thinking of going home to pick it up. No, she's just decided to go to a yoga class in her t-shirt and jeans. This one time it'll do. She usually goes home at about 5 o'clock. She eats dinner and relaxes for a while. Sometimes she takes a walk or goes running. For the rest of the evening, she reads and does homework. Lucy goes to bed at about 11 o'clock. What a busy day.
Now let's get to speaking. I'll ask you some questions.
Peppermint dirty chai 1%.
And I'm really curious to hear your answers, really. Imagine that we are having a conversation at your favorite cafe or bar. I leave time for you to answer so you don't have to stop the recording. Okay, so here's the first one. What are the most important things in life you really believe in? Okay, interesting to hear. Now let's narrow these things down to 3. What are the top 3 most important things in life you really believe in? Okay, wow. But what is the most important, the number one most important thing in life you believe in? Okay, that's awesome. Thank you for sharing it with me. What are those things that you really don't think people should do? Oh, really? Great. And what are the top 3 things people should stop doing? And what are the top 3 things people really shouldn't do? Okay. What is the one thing your coworker should do? Right. And your teacher? And your best friend at school? Okay. Do you believe in EVs, which are obviously electric vehicles? So, do you believe in EVs? Do you think that everyone should switch from a petrol vehicle to an EV? Do you think that everyone should work out 30 minutes per day? Okay. What are you doing lately? Are you reading a good book? Are you watching an exciting series on a streaming platform? Are you attending a class lately? Wow, interesting. Are you in the process of learning something exciting these days? Cool. Now, what's your morning routine? What time do you wake up? Lucky you. How much time does it take you to get to school or work? Do you have a morning habit? Do you have a healthy habit like eating an apple each day? Is there anything in your life that is happening again and again and is annoying you? Like your teacher is always making you write a test when you don't have a good day, or your colleague is always late from meetings. What's the most annoying habit of your best friend? What's the most annoying habit of your coworker? Are you making plans for the next holiday season? Are you planning to go somewhere exciting? Wow, cool. And where? Okay, is there anything in your life that you're doing temporarily? Like, I'm going to work by bus because my car is being repaired, or I'm texting my friends because my data plan expired. Okay, and finally we have arrived the best activity of the week, which is going to be sound spotting. So I will play audio clips from films and TV shows for you. And while listening along, please find the cards matching to the examples provided by the actors and TV presenters when they're talking about present time. When you find a card, hold it in your hand. Okay, let's go.
What's with you?
You're always correcting people.
That's absolutely right.
Right? I never noticed it before, and now it's literally driving me crazy.
Figuratively.
Shut up, Marshall. That's nothing compared to your thing of singing what you do all the time.
What? Okay, maybe so, but it's no worse than you using the word literally in every other sentence.
What about you, Barney? Okay? You always...
Oh, interesting. Everyone has annoying habits but me.
Oh, got it. Okay. You sometimes talk in a weird, high-pitched voice.
And you're constantly using lame catchphrases.
And sometimes you space out and don't even pay attention to what we're talking about.
I'm sorry, what? Oh, see? You can't think of anything, 'cause I'm awesome!
Our student favorite Canyon Pizza is being shut down, at least temporarily, after an inspection report from the State Bureau of Food Safety detailed 13 health code violations. When we reached out for a comment, the restaurant told us, quote, "We're hoping to open next week, waiting on the new sink to be installed and to have our hood recertification, among other repairs."
Hi, my name is Sierra Miley, and I believe in cliches. Mr. Haggerty may hate this, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Life goes on, as will my speech. I believe that life is what you make it, because it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. It's about thinking about that glass half full rather than half empty, because at the end of the day, life is hard. This world is about perspective. You can only benefit from a positive outlook.
Hey everybody, it's Jackie Francois, Angel with Ascension Presents, and today we're going to talk about, are you always late? All right, so it is a new year, and in the new year we create resolutions, and I believe this is your year. This is your year to go from being chronically late to being a recovering chronically late person. So this is not about people being late when there's an accident on the freeway or, someone's sick. That happens to everybody, and it's totally understandable when something comes up and you're late. But this is for the people who are always 30 minutes late, an hour late. And maybe this is you, or maybe you're like, oh gosh, this is a friend of mine. We all know them. They're in our lives, right? So why is it important to not be really late, to be on time? Well, it really can affect your friendships, your job, because what happens is people will see if you are like 30 minutes late all the time, an hour late all the time, people will see it as a sign of being rude, of being lazy, or even being unreliable. It could ruin your friendships. Like, I can't count on this person anymore. They're always late. And maybe not just to my dinner party, but they're late for something we were doing at work, or they're late for something that was really important to me. So it might ruin friendships. So this is your year, guys. This is your year to be the person that people can rely on, that people aren't going to always see as being the late friend, right?
Before I officially start this video, let me be very, very clear. I have not quit YouTube, okay? I'm just thinking about it. So don't assume anything and think I've quit, because I haven't yet, okay? I haven't. I don't know what I'm doing. So don't go saying goodbye in the comment section, because I'm still here. I want to talk to you guys and let you know what's going on. So don't assume anything, okay? Just watch the video and you guys will understand what's going on, and that's that. Let's get serious. So like I said at the beginning before the intro, okay, I have not quit. I'm just thinking about it. Do not assume anything, okay? I'm not making this video for you guys to post in the comments saying, you know, please stay and begging me and all that kind of stuff. I'm making this video because I want to let you guys know what's going on. Because yes, this is my channel and I've worked on this channel and I've been making the videos and all that stuff. But if it wasn't for you guys being supportive and being there no matter what, and even going a step further and also following me on social media and being interactive that way, it changed everything for me. It really did. So that's why I'm making this video, so you guys know. Okay, I don't want to keep you guys in the dark. It's not fair, because let's just say I didn't make this video. Let's just say I actually decided to quit, which I haven't, but let's say that I did. And without making this video, I just make a video saying I'm done, and then I just stop making videos. That's a kick in the face. That's not fair. So I want to let you guys know ahead of time that I'm thinking about it. I haven't decided anything.
Usually my alarm goes off at 6 a.m. I like to wake up early and I feel the most productive. I try to go to bed at 10 p.m. so I can get at least 8 hours of sleep. Well, I try. The first thing I do is check my 8 Sleep app. Max and I recently got a new mattress which can track your sleep rhythm, your heartbeat, can change temperature to hot, cold, and when I want to wake up it will vibrate a little. It's pretty cool and so far I'm really enjoying it.
I'm ready.
Often Hudson is awake first and will run upstairs to wake me up and of course tries to get my attention. It's honestly been the biggest joy to wake up to such a happy fluff ball every morning. I get out of bed, open the shades and make the bed. The morning light in my place is always my favorite moment of the day and I always try to absorb that moment. Then I wash my face with cold water to wake myself up and do a little skincare. I add some serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. I walk downstairs and honestly my routine has changed a lot since we got the dog. Usually Max takes him out in the morning, but he's traveling, so today it's my turn.
I'm taking karate classes online. My sensei just...
Guys, I'm going vegan. I'm doing it, okay? Look, save an animal, eat a plant.
And that's all for today. Thank you very much for learning with me. See you tomorrow. Bye!